Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to download GTA San Andreas on PC. So first you just have to go to any web browser and then go to Rockstar Game or type Rockstar Game. Click this one, tap the very first link that you can see here. So this one, Rockstar Game. Now here on Rockstar Game, you will see this, but if you are looking for a specific game, you have to click this search icon. Let's just say GTA San Andreas. And then after that, what you're going to do next is you have to press enter or tap the search button. You will see here the versions of GTA San Andreas. All you have to do is to click that specific game that you want to download to your PC. So let's just say if you want to download this, then you have to look for the buy now option. So tap on buy now and then select the platform. So let's just pick this one right here because you can download this on your PC. Click this one, but you have to make sure that you have logged in or you have an account here on Rockstar. Tap on PC. So this is the amount that you need to purchase in order for you to download this game. Okay, and then you have to enter, log in, and then after that, once you have logged in, and then you will see the payment method. All you have to do is to add or proceed with the payment method in order for you to download or purchase GTA San Andreas. And basically, that's how easy it is to download GTA San Andreas on PC. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.